Hi everyone, I came across this question and I see lots of students, parents and even educators having some problem explaining this, so I thought why not just give it a shot. It is actually one of the most difficult PSLE questions I've seen, so students, if you have problems trying to solve this, do not get disheartened, it is normal. Alright? So here goes the question. The figure below shows three rectangles, X, Y and Z. The total area of Y and Z is 3/4 of X. 1/6 of X is shaded, 1/4 of Y is shaded, and 1/5 of Z is shaded. Given that Y is 24 cm square smaller than Z, find the total area of the figure. So these two models that you see right now actually summarize the question in some way. Y plus Z is 3/4 of X. So Y plus Z is 3 units and X is 4 units, as you can see over here, right? And then we also know that Y is 24 cm square smaller than Z. So that means Z is 24 cm square bigger than Y. So now let's forget about the X part for a while. Let's look at Y and Z. We know that 1/4 of Y is shaded and 1/5 of Z is shaded. And here we can see that Z is made up of Y plus 24, right? So there's a unit of Y here and there's 24 here. So what we should do right now is actually make this into a common denominator, and just so that we can compare these two units over here. So since 1/4 of Y is shaded, we know that it's equals to 5/20. Let's just make the common denominator as 20. So the top is times 5 times 5. So here is 5/20. For Z, it will be 4/20. That means for this big unit here is equals to 20 small units, and 4 of them are shaded. This here is equals to 20 again, and 5 of them are shaded. Also, let's not forget that 1/5 of this 24 is shaded too. Okay, so when we are looking at how much of Y and Z individually are shaded, we know that Y, 5 units are shaded, and Z, we have 4 units plus 1/5 of 24. So 4 small units plus 4.8. Y, we have 5 units shaded, and Z, we have 4 units and 4 plus 4.8 shaded. Okay, we also know that this Y plus Z here, these 3 units is equals to this whole thing, right? Because Y plus Z, this is Y plus Z. So basically these 3 units here equals to this whole thing over here. So since this equals to this, and each unit here equals to 20, this is 20 small units, this is 20 small units, and this is 24, that means this is equals to 40 small units plus 24. We also know that this is equals to 3/4 of X. So with that in mind, 3/4 of X is equals to 40 small unit plus 24. So X is equals to, you bring the 3/4 over to this side, becomes 4/3. So X is equals to 4/3 times 40 small unit plus 24, which is equal to 160 small unit plus 32. So now that we know 1/6 of X is shaded, and now this is X, so 1/6 of X is equals to 1/6 of this, right? So 1/6 times 160/3 is small unit plus 32. So this one, let's just put it in fraction form. 1/6 times 160/3 is this, and then 1/6 times 32 is 32/6. So basically, this is how much of X is shaded, and we have this much of Y is shaded, and this much of Z is shaded. So the next thing we have to notice is the shaded area of X is equals to the shaded area of Y plus the shaded area of Z. So that means this is equals to this plus this. I will show that in the next step. So basically 1/6 of X is equals to the shaded area of Y plus Z, right? So 160/18 small unit plus 32/6 is equals to 5 small unit plus 4 small. This 5 small unit came from the shaded area of Y. 4 small unit plus 4.8 came from the shaded area of Z. Now we need to manipulate this. Alright, so we have to put all the small units together and the numbers together. So after you move things around, you'll find out that one small unit is equals to 4.8. and 20 small units equal to 96. Why 20? Because remember, this unit is made up of 20 small units. So we want to find how much is one unit of this, right? So 20 small units equals to 96. So this is actually equal to y. We want to find out z, we take 96 plus 24. So this is z over here is equals to 96, which is actually y, plus 24 equals to 120. Now we want to find x. We know that x is equals to, as we see here, x is equals to 4/3 of y plus z. So y plus z equals to 120 plus 96. We take 4/3 of this is equals to 288. So now that we know x, y, and z, we want to find the total area, right? So we take x plus y plus z. So this is x plus y plus z, but remember there's overlapping area over here, so we must minus off the shaded area of x, which is 1/6 of x. So basically this equals to 288 plus 120 plus 96 equals to 504, minus 1/6 of x is 288/6. Our final answer is 456. So that's the total area of the figure, 456 cm square. It is actually important to note that here, the main point here is that this y plus z here and this y plus z here, we are talking about the same thing. And x is 4/3 of y plus z. So we have to break this into the smaller units, and that is actually the units that we are playing with. If we have too many units in our calculation, like we have this unit here and this unit here, if we have too many units, we won't be able to solve it. So make it into one unit, which is the small units from here, and then following the steps that we did initially, we should be able to get the answer. So that's it. Figure this question out, and if you have any other questions, please email us. This solution was provided to you by Pace Tuition and Score Campus. And if you have anything, email us at arjun@pacetuition.com or gabriel@scorecampus.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.